You know that feeling when you finally pull the trigger on a brand new dishwasher, thinking you've just bought peace of mind, and then it turns into a leaky, noisy nightmare that doesn't even clean the forks? Before you know it, the repair tech is over so often you start joking about adding them to your holiday dinner list. Happens way more than you'd think. Today, we're going over 5 dishwashers that you should never buy in 2025. Now, this isn't a hit piece on entire brands. Some of these companies make solid machines, but certain models have built up a pretty ugly reputation for breakdowns and bad design. If you want to skip the drama and just grab the dishwashers we do recommend, check the links down below. Let's dive in. Number 5. GE Café Series. Premium price, problematic performance. On the showroom floor, the GE Café line looks like the dream dishwasher. Sleek finishes, stylish handles, and smart tech features that feel straight out of a luxury kitchen catalog. But once you get it home, things can go south quickly. Across this entire series, owners have reported electronic glitches, heating element failures, and random wash cycle hiccups. Repair techs have seen these issues enough times that it's becoming a running joke in appliance forums. One standout offender is the Café CDT845P4NW2. Plenty of buyers have dealt with flashing error codes, inconsistent rinsing, and even leaks. When you've paid top dollar for a dishwasher and can't get through a normal cycle without it throwing a tantrum, something's seriously off. Great option if you love kitchen style points more than clean plates. Not really, unless water spots are part of your design plan. Number 4. Whirlpool and KitchenAid 6-cycle dishwashers. Hidden leak traps. Whirlpool and its sister brand KitchenAid often share the same internal designs. While these brands usually rank as safe buys, certain 6-cycle dishwasher models have a well-known diverter seal defect. Over time, that seal fails, leading to water escaping into the motor assembly and eventually onto your kitchen floor. The KitchenAid KDPM 604 KPS is a textbook case, part of a platform that's been tied to class action lawsuits and customer repair letters offering quiet fixes. With identical guts, many Whirlpool models built on the same chassis face the same fate. Great pick for someone who's into surprise kitchen puddles? Probably not the vibe you're going for. Number 3. Electrolux Built-in Series. Clog-prone pump and drain failures. Electrolux's full-size built-in dishwasher lineup has earned a reputation for persistent drainage failures and clogged components across the series. One model that frequently shows up in repair forums is the Electrolux EDW7505HPSOA, which is notorious for triggering error codes like E11 or I20, both tied to faulty drain pumps or pressure sensors. In support threads, appliance techs report that the drain pump often overheats or stops working during the final rinse, leaving water sitting in the tub. Users have paid hundreds for repairs only to see the issue return because the root cause, sensor clog or pump weakness, was never fully addressed. Some owners resort to disassembling under the tub just to manually clear blockages. Great pick for someone who loves mystery solving more than spotless dishes? This one's better left off your shortlist. Number 2. Samsung StormWash Modern Series Dishwashers. Sensor glitches and drain failures. Across Samsung's modern dishwasher lineup, including the popular StormWash series, users commonly report drain errors, abrupt mid-cycle shutdowns, and recurring flashing error codes. Reliable support forums and tech sites flag issues with faulty moisture sensors, control board malfunctions, and persistent leaks. One particularly problematic unit in this series is the Samsung DW80F600UTS, DW80F600UTW. It frequently triggers error codes like E11 or I20 due to drain pump failures or debris-clogged sensors. In forums such as Our Appliance Repair and reviews on Consumer Affairs, users describe the dishwasher stopping mid-wash, showing blinking lights, or refusing to resume operation, often despite repeated attempts at reset or cleaning. Even after servicing, the issues may return. Given parts are hard to find and support is inconsistent, repair attempts can quickly become a rabbit hole. Great pick for someone who loves rerunning unfinished cycles and water pooling at the bottom? Yeah, skip it unless you're training for needless dishwasher drama. Number 1. Beco Mid-Range Series. Not built for drama-free dishwashing. Beco's mid-range line, including DDT 39434X, promises stainless steel interiors and Energy Star ratings. But behind the gloss, it has a bad habit of sensor failures, cycle-halting errors, and inconsistent wash results. Reddit forums are full of complaints about greasy residue, flood sensor codes, and the dishwasher refusing to complete a wash cycle, even after resets. Many owners report calling a technician just months after installation. Even though it's not an entry-level machine, this model doesn't deliver on long-term reliability. Parts can be difficult to source, and customer support is inconsistent, often leaving folks stuck in repair limbo. Great pick for someone who enjoys mid-cycle error codes and half-washed dishes? Hard pass. Most of these machines fail for the same reasons: fragile seals that can't hold water, cheap pumps and filters that clog or quit early, and overcomplicated electronics that can't handle real kitchens. Consumer reliability reports for 2025 rank these models among the highest for repeat service calls, proving that flashy features often hide fragile engineering. Smart alternatives that actually work. Now, let's talk dishwashers that do what they're supposed to do, quietly, consistently, and without flooding your kitchen. Number 3. Bosch 800 Series SHPM78Z55N. Whisper Quiet Cleaning. Bosch has dominated reliability rankings for years, and the 800 series shows exactly why. This isn't just another stainless steel dishwasher. It's a finely tuned machine built for hassle-free cleaning. It runs at an ultra-quiet 42 decibels, quieter than most conversations, so you can run it anytime without noise disruptions. The auto air drying system automatically pops the door open after the cycle, releasing steam for consistently dry, spotless dishes. Inside, you'll find Bosch's third rack design, offering up to 30% more loading capacity for utensils and small items while freeing up space below. Safety-wise, it's equipped with AquaStop leak protection, an active system that detects and stops water leaks instantly. With service rates under 10%, this model continues Bosch's reputation as one of the most dependable dishwashers in 2025. Great pick for anyone who wants whisper-quiet operation, sparkling clean dishes, and a dishwasher that won't have you calling for repairs every other year. Number 2. Whirlpool Eco Series WDT 750SAKB. Quiet efficiency and thoughtful design. The Whirlpool WDT 750SAKB from the Eco Series is a strong mid-tier dishwasher offering reliability and ease of use without over-the-top bells and whistles. With a noise rating around 47 decibels, it stays quiet enough to run during mealtime or movie night without interrupting the vibe. Designed for everyday reliability, it holds 13 place settings, boasts 5 wash cycles including soil sensor, quick wash, and sani-rinse, and includes a roomy third rack for utensils and seldom-used items. The adjustable upper rack and folding tines give you flexibility to fit taller dishes, while the leak identification system monitors and drains automatically to protect against spills. Customers consistently praise it for solid cleaning performance, user-friendly loading design, and dependable cycle completion, even on heavier or greasy loads. With a low feature complexity and high reliability rating within its class, this Whirlpool model avoids extra gadgets that often fail and stays focused on performance instead. Great pick for someone looking for fuss-free cleaning, dependable cycles, and a dishwasher that just gets the job done, without causing drama later. Number 1. KitchenAid Premium KDFM 404 KPS. Everyday excellence without the fluff. The KDFM 404 KPS from KitchenAid's premium line hits the sweet spot. It's around 44 decibels, features a flex-free third rack with rotating wash jets, and boasts 50+ wash jets across 3 racks for full coverage, even with oddly shaped items. The ProWash adaptive cycle adjusts water and temperature automatically based on load soil level, so you get consistently clean results without guessing. It cleans efficiently, dries dishes reliably, and the stainless steel interior resists rust and wear. Consumer reports and expert testing regularly highlight it for solid clean performance and mid-tier reliability. So you get helpful features without the headache of constant service calls. Great pick for someone who wants straightforward reliability with a bit of user-friendly polish. Buying tips to stay safe. When you're shopping for a dishwasher, Skip flashy touchscreens and overly smart features. They're extra failure points. Stick with stainless steel tubs and proven cycle designs. Read long-term reviews from owners who've used the machine for at least a year. Check consumer reports or appliance forums for service rate data. Maintain it. Clean filters monthly, don't overload racks, and use RinseAid regularly. And there you have it, 5 dishwashers you should never buy unless you enjoy kitchen chaos, and 3 that will quietly crush dirty dishes for years. Save yourself the frustration. Skip the repair bills and check the links below for dependable picks we've already dug up. Your future self will thank you when the only sound in your kitchen is a gentle hum, not a dishwasher throwing error codes. Thanks for watching. Here's to sparkling dishes and zero drama.